Hello and welcome to the Forensic Science and Law Master's Program at Duquesne University. I'm Dr. Pamela Marshall, the Director and Associate Professor of the program, as well as the Director of the Cyril H. Wecht Institute of Forensic Science and Law. I want to tell you a little bit about our program today. We are the nation's only entry-level master's program in forensic science and law, meaning you can come here as a freshman, engage in research early, and finish with both a Bachelor of Science or a Bachelor of Arts in Biology or Biochemistry, as well as a Master's in Forensic Science and Law. This will set you up for great success on your future career trajectory. Additionally, we are an accredited program through the Forensic Education Program Accreditation Commission, or FEPAC. We are one of only 20 FEPAC accredited programs for the master's degree in the United States. So we would welcome you here into our fine establishment with the best of research and the best of our professors. All of our adjunct faculty currently work in the field and continue to do research and continue to work on amazing cases that you can question them about during your coursework. A little bit about me and my background. I am a forensic scientist by trade, and I am a court-qualified forensic serologist and DNA scientist within several states in the United States. I've also traveled to Luanda, Angola to help set up a DNA lab there. Part of my research includes interest in the area of DNA extraction from challenged remains. These would include samples such as we would find from the 9/11 disaster, for example. I also have a lot of interest within the realm of wildlife forensics. That is trying to find DNA from both poachers as well as unique sequences of DNA from wildlife samples. Some of those are projects that you can actually perform as a student here at Duquesne University. I'll be showing you a lab later where a lot of that research happens, and I'm excited to do so. Today, you will learn more about the curriculum in forensic science and law from both of our advisors in the program, Val Lieski and Dorothy Rigby. You'll meet them soon. They will discuss with you on Accepted Student Day the typical curriculum, both as a new freshman and throughout the 5-year experience. You'll have classes in your graduate year that will take you through all of the different disciplines in forensic science: toxicology, drug chemistry, fingerprinting, firearms, and serology and DNA. All of those labs, you'll get hands-on skills that will lead you to your future careers at both federal agencies like the FBI or CIA, as well as public laboratories like the Pennsylvania State Police and local crime labs. Or you may choose to be one of those 15% of our graduates who goes on to medical school, law school, or another graduate program, for example, PhD in toxicology. We are a program that's very proud of our alumni. We have 271 grads to date, and they are all over the United States as well as around the world. You can go anywhere from 600 Forbes Avenue.
Hi, my name is Dorothy Rigby. I'm one of the academic advisors in the Bayer School. I work with students in the Forensic Science and Law program in the first and second year. I can be reached by phone, email, Zoom, or in-person meetings. Feel free to contact me with any questions that you have. My office is located on the 3rd floor of Fisher Hall. I work with students to process transfer credits and AP credits and help them with the transition to college.
Hi, welcome to the Forensic Science and Law program. My name is Valerie Lieski, and I'm the Assistant Director of the program and also serve as one of the academic advisors. I work with students in year 3 through 5. I work with you to pick your classes, I oversee all the registrations, I check prerequisites, and I make sure that there's adequate progress towards your degree. My main goal is guiding you into your 5th year where you will eventually receive your Master of Science. The major is Forensic Science and Law, and the degree that you will receive is a Master of Science. I assist with everything from scheduling to internships to study abroad opportunities. Once you're in the Forensic Science and Law program, there are a world of possibilities open to our students. Our graduates have met with great success. Graduating from the Forensic Science and Law program at age 23 is quite a credential, because at age 23 you are so marketable because you already have your master's degree. Once you become a student in our program, our main goal is your success. You will find that our doors are always open. I am located in Fisher Hall, room 341, and our offices are open Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 4:30. You can contact me by email, phone, or if you would prefer a Zoom to answer any questions, I am available. All of our contact information is available on the web. I look forward to welcoming new students this fall, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you, and have a good day.
One other interesting aspect about research that I said earlier is that you can actually start your research career as a new freshman. Duquesne is a proud university of making sure that you have hands-on experience as early as possible. One of these research efforts that you may be interested in is called the Undergraduate Research Program, or URP. This is a 10-week paid experience where you will find yourself in the laboratory of a mentor who will show you the ropes in the laboratory. You'll be able to put on a white coat and learn hands-on skills such as pipetting, what types of interest you might have in different types of instruments, as well as the disciplines of forensic science. We also have internships in forensic science available to you at your junior year through your graduate year. Those internships will help you develop your own network of forensic science peers, as well as giving you opportunities to try different disciplines on for size. For example, you may be interested in both crime scene and DNA work. How do you decide? I would choose an internship at our mobile crime unit here in Pittsburgh, which would give you hands-on experience doing crime scene work. You could follow that up with a second internship or a laboratory experiment doing DNA research. So the choice is yours, and we certainly hope that you choose Duquesne and that you find us here. Let's go take a look at one of the labs. Welcome to E103, one of our newer forensic science laboratories, and it's one of only 3 labs that we have here on Duquesne's campus. This laboratory has our fingerprint classes and our firearms classes. Let's take a look at the comparison microscope that we use for firearms research. Here we have our comparison microscope. This is used to not only compare bullets to a particular firearm, but a bullet to a bullet recovered from a crime scene. This is the most important microscope that is used in firearms research. This is just one example of the types of equipment that we have here at Duquesne. You will be learning on state-of-the-art equipment for DNA technology, drug chemistry, toxicology, fingerprints, and firearms. Thanks again, and we welcome you here to Duquesne.
Hi, my name is Dylan, and I'm a junior in the Forensic Science and Law program at Duquesne. Right now I'm in our Forensic Science Research Lab, where you'll have a mix of classes and research here. I'm lucky enough to get to do research in forensic anthropology and ancient DNA, and because of how well-funded and well-versed our program is in science, we actually had the privilege of getting bones from Lithuania, so I'm getting to help do research on those, in addition to creating my own research project at some point before I graduate.